The installation status has many useful applications throughout the System Surveyor platform. In this video, we will go over some helpful tips that you can use to maximize this feature. Let's start by going over the 3 ways to change the installation status for elements on a survey. The first way is to select an element and modify the installation status from the toolbar that appears. The second way is to open the Element Info panel by clicking on the pencil icon from the toolbar, where you will be able to update the status with the Installation Status dropdown. The last way to update installation status is especially useful if you need to quickly update the status on multiple elements at once. Open the Survey menu by clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then, select Export Data to Excel. This will download an Excel spreadsheet containing the attributes for all of the elements on your survey. After opening the Excel file, you can update the installation status column for any element of your choice. Once your changes have been made, save the file and import it back into your survey by selecting Import Survey Data from the Survey menu and choosing the updated spreadsheet from your local files. With the installation statuses correctly updated, you can use them to filter the elements on your survey. For example, if you only want your survey to display elements that are in place, click the Filter button from the Survey toolbar and make sure that only the In Place option is selected under the Installation Status section. Now, let's look at how installation status can be utilized in reporting. To access the Reports section, open the Survey menu and select Reports. Starting with the Elements report, an installation status column can be added to this report by clicking on the Columns button in the upper right corner. Click the plus sign to add the column, and click OK to add it to your report. The Layout report can be filtered by installation status via the Filter button in the upper left corner. This will only display elements in the report with the installation status of your choice. Additionally, if you are on the scale plan or above, you can use the Layout Settings option to add a legend to the report. The legend can also be displayed by installation status. Lastly, similar to the Layout report, the Photo Tour report can also be filtered to display photos based on the installation status for the elements they are associated with.